See that snow?
Oh, that is pretty blowing off.
Wow. That's like magical. I like to get these sun flares.
With the side behind it.
All right, so hey, it's, well, hey, watch out, walk straight, hello. So hey, it's me, Lindsay, and I am back with another video. It's been a long time, but if this is your first time to my channel, I make videos about faith and fun in Colorado while I'm going to Bible college and doing a bunch of other things. So I've been so busy, I haven't made a video in like 2 months. But anyway, we have a huge snowstorm coming up tomorrow, and I thought I would share that with you because this will definitely be the biggest snowstorm of my life here in Colorado. I think the max snow I have ever seen in Tennessee, where I'm from, is like 6 inches probably. Here we've had probably 5 or 6 or 7 inches back in December, January, but we're expecting somewhere between 10 and 30 inches. Okay, kind of depends on the elevation, depends on the way the wind blows, and a bunch of different factors. Anyway, so I'm out here walking, checking everything out before the storm comes, just like the calm before the storm. Yesterday was super nice, and Sunday it was 62 degrees in Colorado Springs. So, I have no idea what to expect, except I don't plan on going into work. I did get a job, by the way, for those of you who follow my channel. I did get a job, so I am working every day, every weekday. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the current situation right now with the weather, the snow we have that's just still hanging around from past snows we've had a few weeks ago. Snow doesn't really melt here until, like, I don't know, March or April or May or something like that. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the current situation. So here is some leftover snow that actually the snowplow pushed. So it looks like a lot, but the snowplow kind of pushed it like this. It does snow like almost once a week here. It seems like since I've come, like since November, December, it snows like, especially on the weekends. It's been snowing like every Saturday and Sunday. But last weekend it didn't, thank God. It's supposed to snow last Friday, and it only snowed like an inch. So anyway, this is the current situation. Some snow over there because that house blocks the snow. But if you live on this side of the street, it faces the sun and it melts pretty quickly. There's some guy just flying his little airplane. Hang in there, buddy. Oh man, he's going for it. So one of the biggest things that surprised me when I moved to Colorado was that it actually snows here at the higher elevations of like over 8,000 feet, like all winter long, like every week or every other week it snows a bunch. So the snow just hangs around. Like, I went to Colorado Springs this past weekend, and like there was no snow on the ground. It was totally dry, and it was 62 degrees. But up here in the higher elevations of over 8,500 feet, the snow like kind of pretty much hangs around all winter long. At least it melts from the road within a day or two, because they have a lot of plows and brine. But yeah, that was one thing I was surprised when I came here, like just how much snow it snows. But they say this is a snowier winter, that it's usually not this snowy. So I have to wait another year to compare. So here is a street, you know, hasn't snowed in about a week, or it snowed Friday a little bit, and it's been about 5 days ago. So this is kind of what it looks like. Let's just wait till the snow comes to compare. Oh, there is Pikes Peak right over there. Yeah, so this is what it looks like before the big snow. And there's Pikes Peak right in my backyard. Not exactly my backyard. Actually, this is the street. But yeah, not too far away. I have not been to the top yet, but you know, it's definitely something I plan on doing while I'm living here. This is more snow just hanging around from last time. You can see these houses don't have snow because they're in the sun, but this house has more shade, so it has more snow. And also another thing that I should note here is it's about 42, 43 degrees outside right now, but it's not like bone chilling cold. Like if I was in Tennessee, I'd probably be wearing a hat and a scarf and all that sort of thing. But since the humidity is really low here, the cold doesn't bite as much, I've realized. So it seems like when it's above 40 degrees here, I see people wearing like shorts. Like I just saw a guy drive by, or he was like running or on this little skateboard wearing shorts. So it seems like, yeah, when it's above 40 degrees, people are like, oh yeah, it's shorts weather, t-shirt weather. If it's sunny, if it's cloudy, it is a little chillier, but if it's sunny, you could get away with, you know, not a heavy jacket or anything. All right, it's dark, but I just wanted to show you the table before the snow, because this is how I judge how much snow piles up on this table right here. So stay tuned for tomorrow. It's Wednesday morning. We got a little dusting last night, not too much. Road's still looking pretty good, pretty clear. So this is just the beginning. See if you can see Pikes Peak over there. There he is. I guess it's a guy, I don't know. Check out that epic shot. My camera just cannot grasp the clouds below the mountain. All right, Wednesday morning, on my way to work. Roads are clear. Got a little bit of a dusting last night, but that's about it. So far, so good. I can handle this with clear roads, no problem. Oh yeah. All right, it's about 1:45, and snow still hasn't started here yet, but if you look off in the distance, you can see it's coming. Pikes Peak is like right here, but it's totally gone behind the clouds. All right, so it's Wednesday afternoon. It's about 5:30, and I'm just checking in to show you so far what the weather's been doing. It really hasn't done that much. It's been a little flurry activity this afternoon, but for the most part, a dusting. I'm going to show you in a second. But the weather forecast has changed from like 15 to 30 inches to 1 to 4 feet. So I think they just have no idea what's going to happen. Anyway, but don't worry, because I'll be documenting every step of the way. So remember yesterday, it was pretty clear over here. Already got a little bit of snowfall, just a little dusting, not too much. It's actually pretty freezing cold. Actually, it's probably like 30 degrees. Over there's the mountain. You really can't see it yet. But this is Wednesday afternoon, 5:30. Let's see tomorrow at 5:30. It says in the morning by 11 we should have like 20 inches. So, wow, almost 2 feet. Let's see how accurate that is. All right, like I said, I'm here to document this huge storm every step of the way, but I had to come inside because it was snowing and it was getting pretty cold for my hands. Anyway, so far 5:30 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. Stay tuned for more. So it's just starting to snow a little heavier. You can't really see it on camera unless I zoom in. Let's see if you can see it now. You can see it a little more. Over here you might be able to see it a little better. So just a little bit of light snow right now, but it's definitely going to be getting heavier. And there's an update on the weather. It's about a little after 6:30 Wednesday, and they've drastically dropped the snow amount to like 17 inches tomorrow. Not that it's like super drastically less. I think they said like 20, 24, 27, I don't know. But I'm actually kind of disappointed. All right, folks, it's about 10 p.m. on Wednesday night, and the snow really started picking up about 30 minutes ago. And it looks like we got about 2 to 3 inches so far now. Like literally this just popped up like that much in the last 30 minutes. So it's coming down pretty good. And it's funny, when it snows, it like reflects light, and it just seems so much lighter outside than it really is, because it's like 10 p.m. Anyway, I will check back in the morning to see how much snow we get. So it's Wednesday about 1:15 and I'm going to give you an update on how much snow we've gotten so far today. Show you my back patio, show you the backyard. The weather report definitely did not disappoint. We are on track to kind of meet the predicted snowfall amounts. All right, so this is how much snow we've gotten so far since last night. You can see the houses, all the snow on the trees. And if you remember last night, just a little bit of snow, a couple inches maybe. And now we have over, I would say a good 19, 20 plus inches. That's what my roommate said. So check out that mattress. I could just hop down on it. So actually this neighbor, that's the neighbor, he already cleaned off his driveway. But yeah, this is where we are at 1:15 on Wednesday. Check out my neighbor's walkway. That's some serious snow right there. I've heard anywhere from 20 to 30 inches or 15 to 30 inches so far in areas. Around here, I'd say probably 15, 16, around that amount. But it does look pretty cool. So, wow, that was pretty incredible. Tons of snow. I really haven't been outside because I've been working all day. I'm going to try and go outside a little later. If I will, I'll definitely make some videos and show you. If not, I'll report back tonight to see how much we get. It's actually been snowing pretty hard the last hour. And it will snow at least several more hours, actually all night and even till tomorrow. But I'll keep you updated on this huge snowstorm. All right. I am getting ready to go outside. It's about 6 p.m. on Wednesday, and I'm going to check out all the snow from all night and all today. It has literally snowed. I can't get my face in here, like all day long. So anyway, I have it dressed up with my boots ready to go. So I am going to go outside. Let's check it out. All right, so here we are. Here's the big old mattress, fluffy mattress, and the little walkway for our my roommate's dog. And we got a good solid several feet here. That's where he goes to the bathroom. So now you can kind of see all the snow here on the back of my porch and in my neighborhood. So let's go to the front yard. All right, so I'm outside and you can see all the snow behind me. Tons of inches, probably at least 20 plus inches or near that. And I'm gonna see what it's like to walk around in it. All right, very carefully walking through this little, oh man, the snow is actually coming down pretty good. There's the snow coming off my roof. It is actually kind of hard to see, I know. But, whoa. Did something just fall on you? I think it did.
Yeah, I ate it.
I just noticed that. I was like, it like saw you standing right there. All right, now I'm gonna try to walk in the snow. Let's see how far I get. So, my neighbor actually did our driveway earlier today, but it's already snowed a few inches, 3 to 5 inches, something like that. So It's right about here. Okay. Walking this way, it's kind of like walking in the beach, just deep sand. Whew. There's the mini. I think I got some snow in my boots. Whoa. Man, how thick you think that snow is on the roof?
Too thick.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's fun. All right. Big snowstorm in Woodland Park. All right, it's a new day. It's Friday morning. It's probably around 10:30 in the morning. I am doing my work from home stuff today. But anyway, I just want to show you the conditions this morning. It's been a really cloudy and still some flurries going on, but the clouds have been really thick this morning, which makes it really hard to see at a distance. Like even now looking out my window, it's like super thick clouds out there. I'll show you in a second. But I'm going to try and show you some formations, some of the snow on the roofs. So check out the snow on the roof. And over there on this roof, I'm gonna try and zoom in. I don't know if you can see it. There's like these really weird icicles hanging off that roof. That's kind of creepy. Anyways, there's probably a good, I've heard we've gotten 30 inches of snow. I mean, it might not look like it on this roof here, but it has been quite windy. And I think a lot of it does fall to the ground. Anyway, seeing my neighbor's house. Yeah. Oh, and see that bear crossing sign? There actually was a bear that crossed over here when I first moved in this past summer in July. Caught it on my neighbor's camera. So, this is what I mean by very cloudy today. You can actually see like clouds literally going by. Over here, there's usually like some condos I can see, but at the moment, it's like one big cloud. This little neighborhood, we have people. These people get out early. They get out by 8 o'clock to clear their driveways, but it snowed so much yesterday that they got to get out again. Looks like I see one person leaving. So I want to show you my neighbor's patio again. Maybe it doesn't look like more than yesterday, but actually it is. Or this morning it was. It's kind of got windy and you can see some of the sides of the snow have fallen over. But it's funny how it looks like snow is just like pouring out of that front door into this driveway. This house was just sold, so I don't think there's anybody there right now. So remember earlier when it was really cloudy and I couldn't see across the street? So now I can see those apartments and condos. Sorry, shaky cam alert. But earlier when it was so cloudy and foggy, couldn't see it. So actually it's kind of clearing up a little bit. Here comes the plow. I've been waiting for this guy. I brought the big boy today. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got a nice zoom in right there. So the official amounts came in at about 36 inches. Divide, which is not too far from here, I think got 42. And then to a little south of here got 40. So yeah, 36 inches. I mean, man, that's a record for my whole entire life. Giving these guys some work today. So I am outside today, Friday morning, and I'm walking down this little pathway that my roommate has made. And the snow is piled up high. Whoa. So right there, that snow is making a lot of noise. It really wants to fall. And you can see as I step back here how much snow. That's almost, yeah, a good 3-4 feet of snow maybe kind of piled up there. Here's the driveway. Oh, snow is falling. That's a good 4 or 5 feet of snow right there. And over here and in the street. Oh yeah. Man, I can't even get out. Right here. I hear the ambulances. Okay. Remember the other day? Look at all that snow. Can't even. All right, thanks for following along as I document this big, huge snowstorm here in Colorado. If you want to see more things, oh my gosh, there's like snow falling out of the tree right behind me. But if you want to see more videos about fun and faith in Colorado, definitely subscribe to my channel, share this with friends, leave me a comment, let me know where you're watching from and what kind of videos you would like to see. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.
When I wake, I know you are with me. In the dark, I can almost see you clearly. Every day, you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. In my pain, I know